How to send long videos on Viber. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Viber on your device. Then, to send a video, basically click on the gallery icon at the bottom and simply select the video you want to send and send it. But there may be a time limit in Viber, so what you can do is click on the plus button at the bottom left and click on File. Then click on Videos at the top. Then select the video and send it by creating a file. If you click it from here, it will send the video as a file. Another thing what you can also do is upload the long video in the Google Drive and simply copy the link and send it to the person so that they will be able to download or see the long video. And this is how to send long videos on Viber. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.